Now it is audible, ma'am. Now, yeah, this was and the today's breaking. 1 second.
Denying us our right of having a 4G internet connectivity in this 21st century is no solution to the militancy problem in Kashmir. Students outside the Kashmir are using 4G internet speed and availing online classes so easily. We Kashmiri students still feel so neglected. We still suffer so much. We keep on requesting every day for 4G speed. In fact, it would be convenient to say that we are begging. It is affecting my goals, my future, my ability to think that I can do anything in Kashmir.
स्कूलों ने पूरी तैयारी की थी, उस्ताद भी सब तैयार थे ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए और सॉफ्टवेयर भी बहुत सारे स्कूलों ने परचेज किए हैं, लेकिन इंटरनेट ना होने की वजह से हमारे बच्चे नॉलेज, इंफॉर्मेशन और क्लासेस एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Regarding, we have seen a small program which differentiate these things.
My name is Sherar Khan, a student of 10th standard.
I'm Shaukat Aziz doing Bachelor's of Nursing.
I'm a journalism student.
मेरा नाम हिबा है और मैं 8th क्लास की स्टूडेंट हूँ.
I study in Hyderabad. My college was closed right after the government order, and now they are taking classes online through various apps like Zoom and Google Classroom. It's very difficult to connect to the classes on network 2G network connection. Even if I connect to the classes, it's of no use. It's going to be no good because we are not able to see anything or hear anything properly, and we are not able to understand what teacher teaches us because of the weak connection and poor quality of the video, and the video becomes buffered.
Our college has also not yet started any online class scheme. Yeah, other professionals which are working independently, which are from nursing, they have started online classes. We are having 2G services with maximum speed of 260 or 270 kbps, which it is quite impossible to have access to online classes.
Teachers started online classes first on the Google Classroom after 1 week of this ongoing lockdown. But it didn't work well because we were not even able to receive the notifications on time. When a lot of students were not able to download the app because of the low internet connectivity. Even on WhatsApp, we are facing difficulties because it takes a lot of time to download simple 2-3 minute audio clips. Then one of my teachers started writing the answers for our queries, and when he wrote for about half an hour, the last text he wrote was that my thumbs are aching like anything.
It's our basic right to use 4G internet, to use internet, to access it, to give our online classes. We are suffering, we continue suffering. If you want us to study, to achieve our goals, then you need to give us all the facilities which are given to every other student in India or outside the world.
A lot of students don't possess Android phone. I have so many classmates who don't possess Android phone.
हम घर में 2 भाई बहन हैं. हमारे घर में एक ही फ़ोन अवेलेबल होता है. तो जब क्लासेस होती है तो स्केड्यूल ये रखा गया है कि टाइमिंग एक ही है, लोअर से हायर क्लास तक. तो उस फ़ोन से जो अवेलेबल है घर में, उससे मैं पढूं या मेरा भाई पढ़े.
Already suffered a lot. Like in past year in 2019, we lost 6 or 7 academic months due to internet ban. There was communication blackout here in Kashmir.
So the government should take necessary steps in restoring the 4G network so that the youth of Kashmir don't face any problems in pursuing their education, and keeping all the political reasons aside, they should take necessary steps in restoring 4G network.
ये सरासर ज़्यादती और जुल्म की बात है. हमारे बच्चे कितनी मुसीबत से गुजर रहे हैं. उनके नफ्सियात पे क्या असर आएगा, उनकी जहनियत पे क्या असर होगा, उनके जज्बात और एहसासात पे क्या गुजरती जब वो देख रहे हैं कि दुनिया में जो बेसिक चीज़ हर एक को अवेलेबल है, उसी बेसिक चीज़ से उनको महरूम रखा गया.